Who's the boss? When you're self-employed, you are. Working for yourself is the goal for many. You're in charge. You call the shots. The first one? What your self-employed business will be. Incfile's helped tons of to-be entrepreneurs with self-employment ideas to spark creativity and help you become the CEO of your own life. Let's begin. First, consider the skills and talents you already have. Know a lot about a certain subject or language? Become a tutor. Into athletics? Become a coach or personal trainer. Have years of experience in your industry? Start a consultant business. Depending on your training, education, and life experiences, the possibilities are endless. Next, consider some of the fastest-growing self-employment segments and see if any spark your interest. By 2026, the largest self-employment jobs will include photography, writing, art and design, animation, and singing and performing. Not a creative or artsy person? No problem. There are plenty of self-employed jobs from home you can explore. Consider getting in the gig economy like driving for Lyft or Uber, grocery shopping for Instacart or Shipt, or renting out your home, office, or even parking space. Or look for opportunities in your local area like offering pet sitting or dog walking services, or becoming a nanny or house cleaner. Personal care is a fast-growing area for self-employment, so you might consider offering non-health assistance to the elderly or acting as a personal shopper or household manager. Not afraid of a little manual labor? Landscaping, maintenance, and groundskeeping are always popular choices. But what if sitting behind a computer is more your speed? There's tons of online businesses to start, like social media management, creating a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel, or opening a retail shop as a third-party seller on Amazon. If you truly want to be your own boss, the possibilities are endless. All you need to get started is a great idea, a little creativity, and a lot of ambition. Oh, and some guidance in making your self-employed business legit. That's where Incfile comes in. Once you've got the idea, we can handle the rest. Form your $0 plus state fee LLC, and we'll take care of the paperwork so you can get back to being the boss.